Hi there, this is Doug Sofrino, a co-founder of StacksWare, and in this 3-minute video, I'll walk you through a very quick demo of the StacksWare product. At a high level, StacksWare is a real-time and agentless way to inventory what software is installed throughout the environment, analyze who is actually using that software and how much, and determine how that all matters from a licensing perspective. In this dashboard, you can see all kinds of information. How many processes are running throughout the entire environment, what's the most used software, and much more. To get the inventory of all the applications, we can click into the Applications tab. Here, you'll find a list of all of the software that StacksWare's proprietary service has recognized throughout the environment. In this environment, we found all kinds of software, from Excel to AutoCAD to other software like Solitaire. To view more information about a given piece of software, we can click into it. Let's start with AutoCAD. Here, you'll be able to discover how usage of that software has trended over time, what versions of that software exist throughout the environment, what machines have this software installed on it, and who's actually using this software. For instance, you can tell who's spent the most total time running AutoCAD. StacksWare gives you several ways to view all of this information. You can click into the Machines tab to get a list of all of the machines in the environment and view all of the information from a per machine perspective. You can click into a given machine to view more information about that machine. Let's try Alan's PC. Here, we can not only see what software is on that machine, but whether it's getting launched. For instance, on Alan's PC, you can see that AutoCAD gets launched a ton, but things like Dropbox and iTunes are installed but have never been run. StacksWare allows you to view this data in aggregate too. You can create groups of machines in StacksWare or import OUs from your Active Directory. Then you can view aggregate information about whether a group of machines is actually getting used, and if so, what software is getting used on those machines. StacksWare additionally allows you to view all this information from a per user perspective over in the Users tab. You can click into a user to see what apps they've used and how much, or you can use groups to analyze a team or a department. As I mentioned before, StacksWare also helps you figure out how all of this information matters from a licensing perspective. You can view all that information in the Packages tab. Let's say you've purchased Office Professional Plus 2010. Here, you can enter in licensing information, and we'll tell you whether or not you're in compliance or whether or not there's a savings opportunity. For instance, we could say we have 100 installations of Office Professional Plus 2010 at a cost of $300 per installation. And then StacksWare would tell us that there's actually a $16,000 liability. There's a lot more you can do in the StacksWare platform. You can set up notifications, do a sophisticated analysis of entitlements, and much more. For the sake of brevity, those workflows are not in this video, but can be found by going to the Resources tab on our website. That wraps up this demo. If you're interested in StacksWare, it's worth noting that we offer a fully featured 15-day free trial. This has been a StacksWare product overview. Thank you for taking the time to learn about our solution.